drive Grover. Just gonna go put some gas. Make sure that everything is still working. Hopefully she doesn't overheat. I love these 67s. The grill on them is different than the models before them. I think they, for the 67, 68 is when they actually did the line across the grill. Before it used to be just a mesh, a black mesh, which in my opinion was very ugly. I also prefer this over the Fastback, only because of the Ken Block's Hoonigans version that they have, which is absolutely amazing. One day I hope to actually get it to look like that. Yeah, just a short trip. I know this car doesn't do well on gas. Alrighty, so take two. The camera fell for the first time. But yeah, definitely going on a short drive with this thing. Trying to make sure that everything. Can we get this to stay up? Challenge of the day: get the GoPro to stay up. Yeah, it's raining really hard here in Bayonne. Wow, this is crazy. Hopefully the GoPro that I have up top is still doing good. I haven't heard any clumping noise or any sounds to indicate that this thing is falling off. God damn, what a bad day to actually take this out. It was so beautiful, earlier. Probably like 70 something degrees, sunny, and then all of a sudden, bang! Let's close this window. This is unreal. This is just unreal. Alright, we're still going on our little drive. Make sure you guys check out the game War Thunder in the description. That'll help the channel. That's one of the new sponsors that we have. But besides that, you know the deal. We make it happen. Wow, this is outrageous. I wish I could show you guys what it's like in the rain. What it looks like right now. It is absolutely treacherous out here. I want to put some gas, honestly. Death out here. These wipers definitely need to be changed. They are not good at all. Trash. I still have the original wipers. I didn't switch to the ones that clip on and off. So I just got to put a little bit of, I got to put a replacement blade in there. And that should do the deal. There's enough gas in this. I'm actually shocked the transmission isn't burned. When I was trying to pull it out of my garage, I have a 2-car garage. I was trying to pull it out the garage. It was struggling to come up. I want to say my driveway is like on a 90 degree, freaking 90 degree angle. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably like a 120 degree angle. So it is pretty steep going down and in. So it looks kind of sort of like this. So when you come inside, it's definitely very interesting. And very difficult to pull in and pull out if your car isn't doing well health-wise. All right. So I made it to the gas station. Let me go put some gas, guys. Give me a minute. Let's get this done. Look at these old school friggin' seat belts. Gas, we're good. There were some little kids asking me to get in the back seat. For those of you that are seeing this video, this thing that is above my head right now is the most annoying piece of upholstery I've ever had to deal with. I ain't even gonna lie. I already have a replacement for it, but I haven't gotten around to doing it, honestly. And I don't think I'm gonna personally do it. I also got it so that it's red, and these pillars right here are going to be replaced and become red as well. That's definitely going to be a fun job for whoever's doing it, and I'll gladly pay them. Crispying it up. Oh, there's nobody in this freaking boat. This thing looks like a boat. I can't wait till my flanges and V-bands come in so that I can try and turbo this thing. I already have a turbo downstairs, as you guys have seen in a previous video that I was planning on putting in the Honda Civic, but through new ideas and wanting to do something that's different, I'm gonna slap a turbo on the straight 6. If it blows up, it blows up. Then we'll slap on. Then we'll put on the V8, the 351, or keep it as a straight 6. I'm really not sure where I'm going with this build, but I am definitely gonna build some kind of turbo flange for it, or turbo charge pipe. That way I can turbo the 6 if I ever do decide to do that. I got the pipes in the mail, and I'm probably gonna do the welding this coming week. Wow, they're gonna stop right here. I'm getting annoyed. try and take this thing to a show or something, or even the drag strip. It's gonna cut off though. When I hit the gas really hard, for some reason it's cutting off. This has been ready. Isn't ready for or it doesn't have enough gas. Might be running a little lean. I still have my Holly Sniper EFI kit, which came with a fuel pump. It's actually running pretty good, sounds great. Wish I could get a lift at my house. Oh my god, that would make everything so much easier. This thing is absolutely, positively slow as hell. This thing is the single friggin' slowest car I've ever driven. I'm not even gonna lie. Son of a biscuit. It's horrible. This thing is horrible. It's alright though. And if I turn really hard and hit the gas, once it shut off. This thing is the worst. Go ahead, motherfucker, go ahead. Go, you idiot. Oh my god, this guy is just snaps. Go ahead. Come on. Revving it and playing with it so hard. Okay, just giving you guys a glimpse inside the car. I do have a replacement for that thing. It's actually sitting right in there. This I got off eBay, and I drilled, I believe it was 4 nuts and screws into the body, and it's pretty firm. It's really nice. I believe I got it for like 40 bucks. I'm sorry, I got it from CJ Pony Parts. I'm mistaken, am I? I also got this from CJ Pony Parts. This has a Bluetooth in it. Let me take this piece of plastic off. We like our things messy, not clean. Yeah, it's really nice. Has a Bluetooth with a mic, and then of course this was replaced as well, and so was the steering wheel. All right. guys enjoyed that. Please make sure that you do check out the stuff that I post in the descriptions. Hopefully this coming week we will have a couple of DIY videos and stuff coming at you as modifications towards both vehicles. But for now,